Sir, we discuss about criteria of damage stability. Criteria of damage stability refers to the safety requirements that make sure a ship can remain afloat, stable, and controllable after damage, such as when the hull branch or seawater enters one or more compartment. The main idea is after flooding, the ship should still have enough buoyancy and stability to avoid capsizing or sinking. In simple terms, damageability criteria are rules that ensure a ship can survive flooding long enough to protect lives, cargo, and the vessel itself.
My name is Zeril B. Maranga. Now, I explain what is criteria on damage stability. Criteria are the rules used to check whether a ship can still operate safely after part of its flooded. When a ship hull is damaged, seawaters enter the compartment and change the ship's weight distribution. This can make the ship sink deeper in the water or lean to one side. The criteria measure whether the ship still has enough buoyancy, balance, and remain stability after the damage. If the vessel can stay afloat, keep a safe angle of hail, and prevent the flooding from spreading quickly, it is considered to meet the damage stability requirements.